Everything clear? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, everything is clear. Let me mark the boundaries. Yeah, any questions? Anyone? Okay, so where were we last time? Like, I have class with section regular also, so I don't remember. So where were we last time?
So we were discussing about the mode of a continuation.
मोड तो हो गया था मेरे ख्याल से.
Yes,
नहीं.
sir. Yes, sir. It was completed.
I think we were discussing the maxima minima maybe. Isn't it?
Sir, we were discussing about slope.
Flow. Slope. Okay. So anyways. Let me pick. Sumit Burnwal.
Yes, sir.
So where were we? So what were we discussing last time using this diagram?
Sir, yesterday I was absent, sir.
I think you are traveling somewhere, leave it. Pragya? Atri is here? Atri in this class or no? Because I think I was talking to Atri yesterday. No. Anyways, Atri must be in that class. Yeah, Pragya? What was the relationship we discussed between these three things? How is the slope? Hello? Pragya, are you there? Sorry. Yeah, Pragya. Vanshita Vikram. Vanshita Vikram.
Yes, yes, sir.
So
But
what?
I have to attend the
Can you repeat that? I can't hear you.
Sir, I didn't attend yesterday's class.
You were not present and you were not supposed to cover up also. Anyways. Saurabh Parihar. Saurabh Parihar. Yeah, I think I was talking to Ishita yesterday. Ishita, I was talking to you last time in the class.
Yes, sir.
हाँ,
Yes.
but I think you know and you do. That's the point. Ayush Shakir. Ayush Shakir. Ayush Shakir. Okay, let's continue with Ishita only. यार क्या करें फिर? Okay, Ishita. So we discussed this that m of a is more than less than
m of A is greater than slope at B and it's greater than slope at C. And when we move downwards, then it has the opposite relation.
M of D? What is less than or more than? Yeah, Ishita.
So the slopes are negative, so so m at B will be greater than m at E and that will be greater than m at F.
What about here?
So slope at G will be greater than H and then greater than I.
Everybody clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if we plot the slope graph, just the slope. Can we say this? Can we say this? Hello? Yeah. Ishita, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So can we say like this? A is more than B is more than C is more than D is more than E is more than F as we move towards the X?
Yes, sir.
So there is a point where its slope is 0. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
That's one case. Now, what is slope here and what is slope here at these 2 points? Point 1 and point 2.
0.
Now how do we know we are at point 1 or we are at point 2?
The first derivative is 0 at these points.
The first derivative, okay.
First,
So at this point m of x is 0. At 1 and 2 m of x is 0. But what else? Can we say something else? That if m of x is 0, it is a maxima?
No, sir. Second derivative we have to calculate.
Why?
To see if it's greater than or smaller than 0, only then we can determine its a maximum point or the minimum point in the curve.
No, sir. To determine the curvature, that is, if the curvature changes in the second derivative.
Did you understand that? The girl who just spoke. देखिए, I did not say anything. I just said if you have, like, look at this graph. Something is wrong. Second derivative. So we just told that if it's possible that we get m of x is 0, we might get this point also, this point also. Now how do we know that we have got this point or this point? That is the question. So just by finding m of x equal to 0 is not sufficient. You have to go a step ahead to understand that is it a maxima or is it a minima. Okay, understanding that?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Now if you look at m of x value, it was first of all increasing the value and then started decreasing. And here's the other way around. First the value was decreasing, then the value increasing. Okay, the value of mx, I'm not talking of sign. Is that correct? Hello, is that correct that initially the slope was increasing here in value, sorry, decreasing, and then gradually it came to a point 0. Okay, so you have to understand, you can go to 0 like this or you can go to 0 like this. Okay, therefore we have to find m of x. To understand where the function is, where this point which is coming is a maxima or a minima. Are you understanding that? There are two ways to get to 0, either this way or this way. These two both differentiate different, signify different thing. Am I audible or not? Anyways, nobody is responding.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, for a maxima, first of all we find m of x equal to 0 and then we have to ensure less than 0 in my memory. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For a maxima. So if you have to find a mode, first of all you have to find dy by dx equal to 0, then delta of less than 0. Okay, and we will just talk about this from an example. Anybody remembers what was the equation of the graph we were discussing yesterday?
36x minus 4x cube divided by 81.
Yeah, 36x minus
4x cube
divided by 81.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so can anybody differentiate this for me? We had integrated yesterday. Can anybody differentiate this for me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Aryan Mishra, please differentiate this. Find Aryan Mishra.
Yes, sir.
Find this value, please.
Yes, sir. Sir, 36.
36.
Sir, 36 minus
Hmm.
12x raised to the power 2.
Is that fine? Is that fine?
By 81.
By
Sir,
81.
upon 81.
81.
Now, at what values will x become? This will be 0. At what value of x? Indranil Saha?
1.7.
Root 3.
Root 3.
Root 3, sir.
Root 3, sir.
Root 3.
Okay. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Now we had already limited ourselves to 0 to 3. So you can directly say root 3 is the answer. Okay. However, if we were having data from -3 to 3, then you cannot say that. Okay. And now you will say, sir, how do we define minus? How it could be minus? It could be minus when we say 0 is the average. We will not go in that detail right now, but this is possible that x could be negative. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now
sir.
what
Yes,
is
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
what is this? Anyone? Wait.
Second
Lakshmi,
second
wait.
derivative.
Lakshmi,
81.
Lakshmi B. Lakshmi B. Lakshmi B. Rahul Bani.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Yeah. So what it could be? What is this? If this is d of fx.
Sir, double derivative.
What
Sir,
is
1 by 81,
that?
24x
24x.
multiplied by 24x.
Minus 20.
Yeah, sir, minus 24x.
Now if you put x is equal to root 3, this will be less than 0. Hence we can say that we have got a maximum. Okay. The curve looks like this. I can tell you, those who want to plot it, they can plot in their Excel. If we go from 0 to -3, and then it goes like this. Here it will be minus root 3 and this will be plus root 3. Okay. Is that fine? Yeah, but this is minima, na? We have 2481 divided by x as second derivatives. But at -3, this becomes 24 into root 3 divided by 81, which is more than 0. So we say it is a maxima. It is a minima. Now what you are saying, which that is something like this. If at both places you get positive, negative second derivatives and 0 first derivative, then it's not having one mode, it is having two mode, it is bimodal. But don't worry, we will not give you bimodal examples. Okay? Everybody clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Acha, I have a question because yesterday somebody did not answer this because I think they made assumptions maybe. Everybody knows how to find the solution of this? Everybody knows this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, quadratic.
Yes, sir.
कोई तो होगा ऐसा जिसको नहीं आता है, तो सबको आता है तो वो बड़ी बात। गजल प्रिया, गजल प्रिया चली गई क्या? She's
Yes, sir.
yeah. How do we find solution of this? Wait. Akash, wait. Ghazal Priya, how do we find solution of this? I'm saying yesterday because while we were solving for the median, we got a quadratic equation. And if you do not know how to solve this, you can't solve this. Anyway, Ghazal Priya, how do we solve this? What is the value of x which will satisfy this?
Sir, x is equals to minus b plus minus 3 times of b square minus 4ac and the whole thing will be divided by 2 by 8.
इतना टाइम क्यों लगा बताने में?
सर 2-3 साल हो गए पढ़े हुए तो
अरे बाप रे, धीरे धीरे साल हो गए। तो जिसको नहीं याद रहता उसको बता देते हैं, अगर सालों वाली मेमोरी फिर से आ जाती है। सो वी हैव a common x square b by a x plus c by a, then we say a x minus b by 2a whole square, ठीक है, प्लस c by a minus b square 4a square. Okay, and then we solve it. अब इतना भी आप नहीं करोगे तो ठीक है, सालों की बात तो है। Anyways, this finishes our mean median mode for continuous as well as discrete numbers. Any questions? Everybody understood properly? Hello? Everybody is understood properly?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Chalo, good. Now there is something called standardized function. You have to understand, this might also be there. Standardized function or form. ठीक है? Is this fine? I will tell. Anybody knows this? No? Which is actually x minus mu by sigma. किसी को समझ में आ रहा है ये?
सर ये तो नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का है पार्ट।
भाई अभी तो नॉर्मल हमने डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन की बात दिस कैन बी ऑल्सो अप्लाई this can also be applied to simple functions. Why I am telling this? Because we talked that x could be negative. Now let me get this. If this is the value given, ठीक है, what is the mu of this? What is the mu of this?
Sir, 1.
3
Who said 1?
Three.
Who said 3?
3
Who said 1? And who said 3?
Sir, 3. Sir, 3. It's mu is mean. So it's 3.
And what is sigma?
स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन।
हाँ कितना है?
बस एक सेकंड से निकालो।
Sir, I think that is 1.
That is 1. Just because difference is 1.
No, that is there. Yes.
You think? How do we get sigma? Indranil Saha?
x माइनस 1।
X minus 1. What is sigma?
X minus
Sir, summation.
by
ये कितना आएगा? कुछ आएगा ऐसा?
अंडर रूट 2 आ रहा है सर।
ठीक है, ये सिग्मा स्क्वायर होगा। सिग्मा विल बी अंडर रूट 2। इंद्रनील साहा कहाँ गया? है कि नहीं है?
हाँ सर हाँ।
देखो भाई, मैं जो बता रहा हूँ उसमें एफर्ट डाल रहा हूँ तो मेरे को पूछने का मूड भी करेगा। Now please calculate the new value of z, this, using this formula. So 1 minus 3 by root 2, 2 minus 3 by root 2, 3 minus 3 by root 2. Yeah, please get me those. ये होगा?
yes sir.
Now you can see the mean value is 0. So this is called a standardized function where 0 is the mean value. Okay? Is it fine, Hrithik Mishra?
Yes, sir.
So please understand, a standardized function can also be coming in the examination. Then the range will not be 0 to -3, it will be something else. Okay?
सर दैट मीन्स कोई भी अगर रैंडम वेरिएबल रहेगा जिसका कोई भी मीन हो या स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन हो, उसको हम ट्रांसफॉर्म कर सकते हैं स्टैंडर्डाइज नॉर्मल वेरिएबल में।
हर रैंडम वेरिएबल मीन तो होना ही चाहिए और स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन भी होना चाहिए। और अगर स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन 0 है तो इसका मतलब क्या है? इट्स अ कांस्टेंट लाइन।
यस सर।
ठीक है, तो फिर उसका स्टैंडर्ड फंक्शन होगा ही नहीं। ठीक है?
यस सर।
So every random variable can be converted into standardized form. Okay. Now we will not talk more about this, but this is what you should know. Any questions? Anyone? Okay.
Sir, I have a sir, as z represents the distance, that is the value of x, that is it lies away from the mean. Sir, it will be always the multiple of standard deviation.
You are dividing it by deviation.
Yes sir.
So how it can be multiplied?
Okay sir.
Understood?
Yes sir.
It is not multiple, but when z is equal to 1, you say this value is one standard deviation from the mean on the positive side. When z is equal to -1, you say this value is one standard deviation towards the negative side of the mean. Okay, this is what you say.
Yes, sir.
And I think you are certification course here where
क्या बोले सर?
you have done a certification where you have sigma. Just a second. Okay, so can you see the screen?
Not yet, sir.
Can you see the screen now? Can you repeat that? I cannot hear you.
So only the whiteboard is visible.
Only the whiteboard is visible. Alright. Now,
No sir.
can you see the PPT or no?
No sir.
No, sir.
Can you see the screen now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Okay, so we discussed measures of central tendency that time or last time. Now we will discuss the measures of variability. Now variability, as you know, talks about the spread of the data. So all of them have a mu which is same. Okay, but that does not mean their spread is same. Okay, so this spread is called measure of variability. Okay, and to understand or to compare data, you need both measure of central tendency and measure of variability. Is that fine? Okay. No, there are. Yeah, anyone? Yeah. there are multiple measures, we will discuss it later, but first these are the simple ones. Range, quartile, average and standard deviation. We will not do all of them, but these are the terms. Generally range can also be used to differentiate the measure of set variability, and standard deviation also used. Q and AD are used, but we will not talk about that right now. Okay, now can anybody tell me if you have to find the measurement of variability, what's the advantage of using the range?
So minimum time to calculate the value of range, and simplest to understand and easiest to compute.
Yeah, so this is what we have to understand. It takes less time to compute, it's easy to understand, but what's the problem with that?
So not based on each and every observation of the distribution and subjected to sampling fluctuations.
Yes. सबको समझ में आया? What he said? Hello, did you understand all this? अब नहीं बोल रहे हो तो मैं क्या करूं? Okay. This is what we were talking about. Does everybody know what the standard deviation is? Does everybody knows what the standard deviation is?
No, sir.
No. कौन बोला? कौन था भाई?
So me.
So RNG, did you understand what's
Yes,
the
sir.
standardized function? We just discussed about standardized function. Did you know what a standardized? What did you understand that or not?
Yes, sir.
So उसमें what did we write? Standardized function is
Sir, x minus mu upon sir.
upon
Sir, I'm not able to remember that.
हे भगवान, remember क्या है यार? Then what?
Sir, that term I'm not able to.
So what did you then what did you understand? My question is simple. Then what did you understand? Yeah, please tell me. आपको समझ में क्या आया है फिर? यार आप कुछ चुप हो गए. What did you understand? I'm just asking you that.
Sir, the calculation.
हाँ तो कैलकुलेशन किससे डिवाइड किया था मैंने?
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
we divided it by under root 2, sir.
What was under root 2? What was under root 2?
सर नेक्स्ट नहीं याद आ रहा.
यार याद करने वाली चीज थोड़ी ना, उस पे आगे बात भी होगी पूरी. How did I get under root 2? I wrote 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now how did I get under root 2? ये याद है? Yeah, you remember this or not?
No.
Great. Okay, so I have to test standard deviation. I thought you would be knowing it. Wait a second. Yeah. ये समझ में आया आपको? क्या नाम था? आर्यन नहीं, अभिषेक. क्या नाम था? हेलो. Yeah, Aryan, did you understand this or no? We change the camera is coming. Aryan, are you there? Can everybody hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ये कहाँ गया Aryan?
Yes, sir.
यार बंडल मार देते हैं तो. Anyways, first one. So is this fine? Is this fine?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Aryan Mishra. Aryan Mishra, are you there? चलो छोड़ो. Now we are going for continuous domain. Again, if you see, what is this is ultimately xi minus mu square into pi. That is what sigma square is. Summation.
Yes, sir.
Summation. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
As we have told, this summation becomes fx dx. This is what is sigma square for a continuous variable. Okay,
Yes.
समझ में आ रहा है सबको?
Sir, it is not visible, sir.
It is not visible.
Sir, it is on the small screen, ना?
भाई कैमरा को आप पिन कर लीजिए. You pin the camera. You pin the camera.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Come on here, I won't tell you technology. Is this fine? Sigma square x for a continuous is x minus mu square. Summation is fx dx integral. Is this fine? Now
Yes, sir.
I will go to a bigger statement.
Yes.
Please understand this and don't say कि मैंने बताया नहीं. पहले ये याद कर लो. दिस इज कॉल्ड मोमेंट्स. ओके, मोमेंट ऑफ एक्स अबाउट द मीन. सो आर इज द फर्स्ट. आर इक्वल टू 1 मीन फर्स्ट मोमेंट. आर इक्वल टू 2 मीन्स सेकेंड मोमेंट. आर इक्वल टू 3 इज थर्ड मोमेंट. एंड आर इक्वल टू 4 इज फोर्थ मोमेंट. Okay, what do you do? Put r equal to 1, r equal to 2, r equal to 3, r equal to 4. That's it. Okay, समझ में आया ये? Now this is called, this is also known as, we just discussed.
Variance, sir.
Variance. This is also known as एवरेज.
Mean.
मीन ये नहीं है बॉस. मीन में म्यू तो होता ही नहीं है.
बोल सकते हैं इसको मीन डेविएशन अबाउट मीन.
हाँ तो वही तो है एवरेज डेविएशन.
यस सर.
दिस इज कॉल्ड न्यू टर्म फॉर यू.
स्क्यूनेस और कुर्टोसिस.
यार तुम क्लास ले लो. Because I like people who know. Kurtosis की spelling गलत है. Sorry. Kurtosis. Please write this down. These are also measure of variation. समझ में आ रहा है? This is what I just told you. ठीक है? And we meet tomorrow.